everyone. Welcome to the course of Internet of Things, in short IoT. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept of the software on the Raspberry Pi. So, the software which we have seen on the Raspberry Pi for IoT RFID project is the Mosquitto server, which is related to MQTT. So, whatever the transmitter and the MQTT payload is transmitting through Wi-Fi, that particular data will be received by an Mosquitto server at the receiver end, which is interfaced with the Raspberry Pi. So, there is a necessity of installing the MQTT Mosquitto server in the Raspberry Pi OS. So, generally what we do, if at all you want to install any libraries or packages, generally what we do is in the Raspberry Pi, we use apt-get. Okay. So, this is the general command we use, but it does not contains the latest version of the Mosquitto software. So you can also try it, but if does not work out, we have some other commands which is used for installing the Mosquitto server step by step. Okay. So generally what we use, we use sudo apt-get install Mosquitto. Okay. So once you try that, we can also install the three parts of the Mosquitto properly. So one is the Mosquitto MQTT broker, and we can also call it as a server. And the next one is the Mosquitto clients. So it is like an command line clients. So very much useful in the debugging. And the third one is the Python Mosquitto. So this Python Mosquitto is nothing but the Python language bindings. And we can also see the configuration, how it can be started with the Mosquitto server. So, in order to configure the Mosquitto server, we can have a command like sudo nano, okay, or sudo mosquitto dot conf. So it is nothing but configuration. Okay. So you can also use several names like sudo nano, mosquitto, or mosquitto dot configure, anything. Okay. It depends on the Mosquitto server we are using, and the command sometimes differ. Okay. Now, in order to start the Mosquitto server, you need to use a command like sudo etc initiate, okay, init is initialization dot d slash mosquitto start. Okay. So same way as we are using the configuration command like sudo nano etc mosquitto or mosquitto dot configuration. In order to start the Mosquitto server, this is how we start. Sudo etc init.d is the initialization, Mosquitto start. Okay. Now, once it started, if at all you want to test the Mosquitto server, these are the commands. So you need to open a terminal windows. In terminal window 1, you need to type the following: mosquitto underscore sub hyphen d hyphen t hello world. And in the second window terminal, you need to open one more window terminal, and you need to type mosquitto underscore pub minus d minus t hello world minus m. And in the quotes, you need to mention the some string like hello from terminal window 2. Okay. So you need to parallelly open the two terminal windows, and you need to type these commands.